If you're running a business in 2025, using AI can be the smartest move that you can make. The right AI tools can help you cut down on manual work, respond faster, create better content, and grow your business without being overwhelmed. And in this video, I'm going to show you 9 powerful AI tools across 6 different categories that can help you work smarter, automate boring tasks, and grow your business more efficiently. We are going to cover these tools across 6 different categories, from automation and product presentation to productivity, designing and branding, video creation, and customer support. And each one is focused on a real business use case, and I'll show you exactly what it does and how you can start using it the right way. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. The first category that we are going to see is automation. Think about how much time you spend every day doing the same things over and over again, like sending follow-up emails, updating spreadsheets, or scheduling social media posts. These small tasks may seem easy, but they take up a lot of your time. Instead of spending your time on routine work, you can just automate these tasks and save a ton of time. So a tool that can help you do that is N8N. It is an automation tool which takes care of all the repetitive tasks that you can save time on and focus on what matters the most. Let me show you how. This is an AI agent built with N8N that can find leads on working professionals, so you can easily access it through Telegram. All you have to do is just send a message like "Find software developers in Texas, USA," and instantly the workflow starts running. Once it's done, the bot replies with a message like this, and you'll receive the lead details on a Google Sheet. You can also use it to automate tasks like responding to a customer email, scheduling social media posts, creating product videos, and so much more. So if you want to build powerful automations like this one, just go to Webspace Kit and get the N8N hosting plan for just $5, and you'll also get access to unlimited workflow templates. And to learn how to use it step by step, you can watch this video. Okay, now let's go to the next category, which is product presentation. For a growing business, building a great product is just the beginning. But how you present your product also plays a big role in its success. That's why the tools I'm about to show you are incredibly useful. They help you present your product in a clear, engaging, and a professional way. The first tool is Guidde AI. It lets you turn your notes or ideas into stunning professional presentations without spending hours designing them from scratch. Let me show you how. First, select whether you want to use your notes of your product, or write a prompt, or import a file or link to create the presentation. I'm going to use my product notes. Then choose how the AI should handle your product notes. Click Continue. Select how much text you want per slide, enter the target audience, and the tone of the content. Click Continue. Finally, select a theme for your presentation. Click Generate. And that's it. Our presentation is ready. If you want to make some edits in the content, you can do it by using these options. Once you're happy with how your content is, to download it, just click here, go to Export, then select the format, and it'll be downloaded. Pretty simple, right? Alright. Now, while presentations are great, sometimes showing how something works is better than just explaining it. You can do that easily with Guidde AI. It's perfect for creating step-by-step demo or explainer videos with voiceovers, callouts, and screen recordings. You can use it for product walkthroughs, launching new features, onboarding new users, or even internal training. Let me show you how it works. Just add Guidde AI extension to your browser. Then go to the tool or website that you want to demonstrate. For example, I'm using the spreadsheet to show you how to calculate the profit using sales and cost data. Now click on the guide icon, name your video, pick the video type, and select Start Capture. Now go through the process and it will record your screen as you do it. And when you're done, click on the icon again and click Done. Now if you go back to Guidde AI, you can see our video is ready. So let's play it.
This guide will walk you through the process to calculate profit using sales and cost data using Google Docs.
You can see that it has turned a simple screen recording into a clean video with AI voiceover, highlights, and all the right callouts. If you want to change something, just click on Edit Video. And here you have the option to change the background, captions, voiceover, and so on. Once you're happy with the changes, and if you want to just share the video, just use this link. However, if you want to download the video, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The next category on our list is productivity. The right tools can help you stay focused, save time, and make real progress every single day. So the first tool in this category is ChatGPT. It can effortlessly handle time-consuming tasks like market research, competitor analysis, and summarizing industry reports. So using it can save you hours of manual work and helps you stay focused on what matters the most. So let me show you some powerful use cases. Just click here, select search the web. You can ask ChatGPT about your topic and it will give you a well-structured, up-to-date information from reliable sources. For example, I'm asking ChatGPT any recent news on AI strategies, and ChatGPT has collected all the key information into clear, to-the-point summary. You can also scroll down to view all the original sources, making it easy to fact-check, clarify, and stay updated. Now let's say you need to create a detailed market analysis report. So just select the deep research option. Type in the topic you want to research about. Answer a few questions about your project. And our report is ready. It's detailed market analysis, pulled from multiple trusted sources, and fully customized based on the inputs that we gave. Alright, now that you've seen how ChatGPT can help you improve your productivity, here's another tool that will save you tons of time. If you run or manage a business, meetings are a big part of your day. So you probably know how tough it is to stay focused and take detailed notes. But did you know that there's a tool called Fireflies that helps with this? It automatically joins your meetings, records everything, transcribes it, and gives you a neat summary so you never miss a thing. Okay, so to let Fireflies automatically join your scheduled meetings, we have to add our meetings to our Google Calendar. Once you have done that, if you go to your Zoom meeting, you can see that Fireflies has joined the meeting as a participant and it will start recording your meeting. After the meeting ends, go back to your Fireflies website and you can see that it has summarized the meeting. If you click on it, you can see that it has generated a short summary of the meeting and the meeting notes too. And even the transcript with the speaker labels. And here's the best part. You can also upload any past meeting recording and it gets the summary and the notes. So now you don't need to stress about taking notes during meetings. Just let Fireflies take care of it and stay fully present in the meeting. The next category that we are going to see is design and branding. A strong brand identity is very important if you want your business to stand out from the competition. And that's why it's essential to define your brand's visuals, style, and the personality from the very beginning. And the first tool in this category that helps you achieve exactly that is an N8N Automation that can help you create a style guide like these for your brand. Let me show you how it works. Just click here and ask in this chat what you want to create. For example, if you want a logo, simply type that along with your brand name, what your brand is about, preferred colors, logo style, and a tagline. Once you send it, you'll receive a link to the generated image, and let's open it. Here it is. Now let's ask it to create a style guide for our brand. And here it is. This style guide includes your logo, tagline, color palette, typography. Amazing, right? You can use this guide to build your website and keep your design consistent across all platforms. Not only this, you can also create different backgrounds, edit the generated designs, and upscale images easily. If you want to learn more about this automation, then you can check out this video. Alright, another way to make a lasting impression of your brand is by having a well-designed website that reflects your vision and style. However, building a website from scratch can take days. Now to make this simple, you can use GravityWrite's website builder. It helps you create a complete website in just a few clicks. Just describe your business and it will automatically create the layout, content, and the design ready to launch in minutes. That too with no design or coding skills needed. Just install the plugin, answer a few simple questions about what kind of website you want, and pick a template that you like. You can also easily customize everything to match your style. GravityWrite will instantly start building the pages, adding content and unique images automatically. And within minutes, your website is ready. And if you want to edit this website even further, you can do that by clicking on Edit with Elementor. So if you want to build your own website quickly and effortlessly, check out GravityWrite's website builder plugin. Alright, now let's move on to the next category, which is video creation. Video content is a powerful way for businesses to grow. From product demos to ads and social media, it helps you explain your message and connect with your audience faster. Now there are plenty of video generation tools out there, but I've picked the two incredible tools that let you create high quality content without writing long prompts and even lets you make changes easily. So the first tool is Kling AI. It lets you turn your simple product image into stunning mockup images and videos like these. With just a single line of prompt, you can showcase your product in different backgrounds, angles, and model poses as you want. So let's see how it works. Just upload the image of your model. Then upload the image of your product that you want to see on the model. Click generate. And as you can see, we've got 4 amazing mockup images. To generate the video, just like the image you like, click generate video. Here describe what actions you want to see in the video. Again, click generate. And as you can see, our video is ready. The quality is good and it looks like it was professionally done. To download it, just click here. Alright, the second tool in the video creation category is HeyGen. It turns your PPT into a professional video by adding an AI presenter, voiceover, and slide transitions. Simply upload the PPT or the PDF of your product. And you can see it has generated the script for the voiceover for our video. Now go to Avatar, add an AI presenter of your choice in the video, adjust its size and the position in the slide like this. But since it is added only in the current slide, repeat the step and add the avatar in the rest of the slides too. If you select this text, you'll be able to edit the script as you want. And click here to preview the voiceover.
FlowScribe transforms productivity by embedding AI seamlessly within your workspace.
Then select the voice that suits your video. Once everything looks good, just click on generate, click submit, and the video will be generated. So let's play it.
FlowScribe transforms productivity by embedding AI seamlessly within your workspace.
You can download it by clicking here. Alright, so this is how you can turn any boring PPT into an engaging professional pitch video using HeyGen. You can also create video content for marketing, training, social media, and so much more. The next category that can help you grow your business is customer support. Keeping your customers happy is very important. Customers expect quick answers, but replying to every message manually becomes a real challenge as requests add up. That's why automating your customer support process can save you a lot of time and improve your response time all at once. So setting up an AI website assistant using N8N is a great way to do that. Let me show you how it works. If you just send a hi, the AI assistant responds with a greeting and offers to help. Now let's say a customer wants to talk to the support team, so it'll ask for their contact information and you can send the details to the support team like through an email like this. So now the team can quickly get in touch with the customer, and if you want to learn more about this AI website assistant, you can check out this video. Alright, so these are the 9 incredibly useful tools across different categories, all designed to help you work smarter and grow your business with the help of AI. So go ahead and give these tools a try and see what works best for you. I've given the link to all these tools in the description below, so do check it out. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.